I'm 姑姐。
小朋友，大家好，我係你哋嘅主持人姑姐。Today we'll be learning about these birds in Cantonese. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, we'll learn how to say bird. Bird in Cantonese is 雀仔. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 雀仔. That's right, 雀仔. Very good. Can you tell 姑姐 what your favorite 雀仔 is? Wow, thank you for sharing. The first bird we'll learn is this one. Can you tell 姑姐 what type of bird this is? Yes, it's a penguin. To say penguin in Cantonese is 企鵝. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 企鵝. That's right, 企鵝. Very good. This is the next bird. This is a goose. Goose in Cantonese is 鵝. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 鵝. That's right, 鵝. Very good. Can you try and tell 姑姐 what bird this is? Yes, it's a duck. Duck in Cantonese is 鴨. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 鴨. That's right, 鴨. Very good. Now, can you try and tell 姑姐 what is this bird on top of my head? Yes, it's a pigeon. Pigeon in Cantonese is 白鴿. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 白鴿. That's right, 白鴿. Very good. Oh, what is that we see over there? That's a crow. Crow in Cantonese is 烏鴉. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 烏鴉. That's right, 烏鴉. Very good. Whoa, what's that over there? That's 姑姐's favorite bird. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a chicken. Chicken in Cantonese is 雞. Can you try and say it with 姑姐? 雞. That's right, 雞. Very good. Now, can you try and name these birds in Cantonese for 姑姐? That's right, very good. Thank you for learning with 姑姐 today. Class is dismissed and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.